So after yesterday working in the shed till 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock I think it was, the car was back together. Just to finalise a few bits today and whack some oil on it and some coolant in it, and we're ready to flip the key. The idea is to not idle it too long, so if anything blips, throttle a bit, fill it with some more coolant, leave that all up. Well, yeah, we'll have to idle for a bit, but the idea is with the brake-in that you don't idle it too long, otherwise it just ends up glazing the cylinders and you get no biting into the rings. So at the moment as well, it's also just got a real basic oil on it. It's quite thin stuff. It's sort of semi-braking oil, I suppose. It's said on there that's actually good for braking oil, so that's always handy. I run that for a bit and then got the proper oil there to use once it's broken in. So it's a bit of just heavy load driving really. Not heavy, but like loaded it up so it can, so the piston's a bit in, but not revving it right out and not going crazy. So just normal driving really. Probably do maybe a trip to work or so, a couple of trips. And then drop the oil and wax the new stuff in, put a new oil filter in it, and it'll be good to go. There's a reason why it wasn't starting. I turned the fuel off. I wanted to just sort of flick some oil around without it cranking into gear. Turn the pump back on. Here we go. Check for any fuel leaks.
Which means literally, so in the same way the state of mind of the person who is licensed is not empty. It contains everything.
As with all builds, there's little things that go wrong, and we have a water leak. As you can see down there, dribbling away. So all that was this clamp that's sort of under there, seeping a bit. Just changed where it sits a bit. Just need to keep an eye on that. Burning off you see here is just paint off the exhaust because I had to re-weld it a bit with a bit of a crack, so that's normal, not a fire. So I'm just setting the base timing on the Dizzy. I've got my nice timing light, and because the battery's in the boot I have to use an external battery. But that's just a matter of putting a lead up to the clawback and then setting base timing to 10 and matching that up, or 0, whoever, depending on what you like. Which I can do all on this phone. So here I can use fixed angle, it's at -10, which means it uses the map. And if I go 10, it'll then fix it to 10 degrees. Which then the idea is that I get the pulley to sitting at 10 degrees, and the timing is exact. So because this thing's on the way up, rattly, couldn't really show you what I was doing, but down on here on the pulley there's a mark that matches up to numbers on the case, and you basically shine that light, hold the button down, and it blinks where what timing it's set at, and I just move the distributor or cam angle sensor to suit to bring it back to 10. But because this is on the way out, you basically have to just slap the side of it, but it still works, still gets what we want. So now I can go back to the ECU and set the timing back to -10, because that then tells the ECU to use spark map, which currently is only at 18 degrees. That's another way, I suppose you could check it. You could have, if you can't actually set like a base, you just set it in the map to 10 degrees and make sure the other thing's at 10 degrees.
So in the same way, the state of mind of the
That's good to lock it like that.
is not empty. It contains everything.
Drive. Back up and operational, fan going hard. Sounds pretty clacky because of the light oil, of course, but that'll soon go away. Looking all pretty baller with all the nice hardware. Pretty stoked. Pretty good.
The highest state of consciousness in samadhi is called nirvikalpa samadhi, which means literally non-conceptual.
So, this is day 3. We had Friday night, we were doing stuff with the Avenger, as well as engine stuff on this, bottom end stuff on this. And then Saturday, we were putting the engine back in. And then today is Sunday, and he's done heaps since I've last been here. But today, come over and put the bonnet in, doing all this, like, making sure the lines are nice and flush, or as flush as we can be bothered getting them. And then we're working on the problem of water in the car, and so we grabbed the hose and ran it straight through the mirror, which is the first bad spot that we found the other day. And as soon as it started squirting it, water was just coming through. Right. And then, so we took off the mirror, and it's got a lip all the way around sort of the edge of here to prevent water going in, and up at the top it's sort of just worn away a little bit, and so we're just going to silicone that up, put that back in, wait for it to dry, and try again. Ta-da! Oh, and we're using a window RTV, silicone RTV.